Moisia Ashawo Budon, yes, or Sisiano, or a diva, am I a diva? Yes, Sisiano, acquire say, yes, Queens now, no more Ghana Hanum, no. Sisiano, Muhina, Pesa, Mudane, musicians, what I say. Aya Moisia, dear, the birthday, ya Udin, and say, you know, what my transforming Adane, Aya Beyonce. Hey, who now share Moisia Budona. Wo auto amaye diva wasisa no so no ye Beyonce na abuzanfo I say it we can some tere na media me hwa me ka kere no na mentiasie so kwanhwa menjin hu biem because how come haja for sorry I say ono ye den wakobọ nyum Moisia Budon nso akobọ nyum na fide this is slave kuna adwuma no emunya dana and that is a yentia biem but see only God knows. Ono na o feel say obebo nim so abusuafo without wasting much of time no video ne de waye ni bako no direct video ne de waye ade ankasa but Moisia Budon na auto nyom de nkofo keka say wa setoy yes omo keka say wa setoy because we share the pictures na oba na makeups na de no ho fe but amaye diva say ade na wa ankasa ombo nyoma amaye diva na wa divert o career. What divert talent from slave queen to a musician, which is obe transforming. So transform from Moisia to like Becca. But oh dear, but true because I'm going to say from grass to grace, yes, into from Moisia Budon to Beyonce. So guys, without wasting much of your time, just enjoy this video. Moisia Budon, wakwa kucha say, ono no say oje diva.